Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996. The Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996 was introduced to regulate the condition and regulate the employment and condition of service of building and other construction workers, and to provide for their safety, health, and welfare measures, and for other matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. It applies to every establishment which employs or had employed 10 or more workers directly or through a contract or subcontract. Not applicable to building or construction work to which Factories Act 1948 or Mines Act 1952 applies. So this Building Other Construction Workers Act 1996 was introduced. This act was introduced in the year 1996. Why this act is introduced means to regulate the employment and conditions of the service of building and other construction. Other building and other construction means the employees or the laborers who are involved in building or constructing the buildings, or constructing roads, constructing bridges. So these are all the employees who are involved in constructing buildings, bridges, roads. So for that employee, this act is applicable. So for that employees, to ensure their safety, health, and welfare, this act is enacted. Okay, so it applies to every establishment in which this act is applicable to every establishment that involves in building of roads, bridges, and any other buildings where 10 or more employees are directly involved or indirectly involved. Indirectly involved means through any contractors or subcontractors. So for that establishment, this BOCW Act is applicable. And to those establishments where Factories Act 1948 or Mines Act 1952 is applicable, to those establishment, this act is not applicable. Why it is not applicable means, say for example, in a manufacturing unit, there is some repair. There is some repair in the building. So to fix that repair, some persons are involved to construct the building. So for that employees, this act is not applicable. Okay, so only the establishments which involves particularly in constructing roads or constructing buildings or constructing bridges, that for that establishment only this BOCW is applicable. So other than that, it is not applicable. Other than that means the manufacturing unit where this Factories Act 9 is involved, for that manufacturing unit or that factories, this BOCW Act is not applicable.